Day 194. Yesterday I went to bed quite late, around midnight, so I thought that I will get up quite late, but I got up at 6:20 a.m. So I started programming, and I also did my dollar cost averaging for this month in crypto, of course. This time 2000 euros was invested. I then fixed the one core problem in the app I mentioned yesterday. It took a while to put it together, but now it's working correctly. And after like 3 or 4 hours of working, I felt really tired and I went to sleep again for like 2 hours. After I got up, I adjusted Google Store previews of the app because there were some mistakes and layout problems on them. Then I fixed training session timers because there was a mismatch between session and exercise timers, and yeah, it wasn't done correctly before. And the last thing, I've started working on initial pages. So first time you open the app, there are a few initial pages that basically tells you what the app is about and what features does it have. So I try to implement this. I have like 50% done. So tomorrow I will finish the functionality, and then it will again wait for designer to adjust the design, because I don't know how to design it properly. I can do the functionality so that it works, but it looks really ugly. So that's why I need his assistance. And yeah, that was my day.